What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Tyler Goes Fishing. I'm Tyler. Today I'm going fishing. I got a few hours of a weather break. It was raining all night, raining all morning. It's now about 1 p.m. Looks like I have about 3 hours before some heavy winds come in, so I'm going to stick close to the boat launch just in case something goes awry. And I'm going to throw out some spoons and hopefully we can catch a few shad today. Fish, 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 fish. Fish on, yeah. Fish on. Come on, come on. Get up here, get up here, get up here, get up here. You're fighting really well. Get over here. There we go. Chill, bro. There we go. First fish of the day on the white spoon. That was killing it for me last night when I was fishing from the bank. That white spoon was. Oh, thank you for that. There we go. A nice little specimen. Oh, chill, chill. Your first one of the day. Ow, you hurt me a lot. You hurt me a lot right there. All right. Well, there you go. First one of the day, which is awesome. Let's see if we can get a photo. All right, one last look at him. Let him go. Man, I am so excited because now it feels like shad season is just really starting to ramp up now, which is my favorite time of the year. I love it so much. I can't wait to catch a million of these guys. Oh, there we go. Another one right here, right underneath the boat. No, he let go. No. No. Son of a gun. I'm just at the mercy of Mother Nature right now. Wind's not too bad, but the wind's going against the current, which is good. That way the current's not dragging me a mile a minute. So I don't have to try to anchor myself to something. One other kayaker out here. A couple of John boaters, lots of people on the bank still taking advantage of the free few hours of decent weather. I can hear a boat going very fast behind me in a no-wake zone. Oh, fish, yes. Right near the boat again, right near the boat. Woo, chill out. Spicy. Oh, bumped right into the boat, come on. Come on, yes. Catch number 2. Chill. There we go, fish number 2. Awesome, very nice. Have not been out here too long, so this is a good sign. Hopefully we can catch a bunch of these before we gotta get out of here. So, bye-bye. The wind isn't great, but it's not like too bad, you know what I mean? It's fine. I think I should have left my jacket on though. That's okay, if things get really hairy, boat ramps right over there, so we're good. Oh, fish, yes, right by the boat again. Look at that. Oh no, did it come off? No, I think I still got it. I got it, I still got it. That's a smaller male. Get in the net, boom. Oh god, the waves, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Chill out. Look at this. Fish number 3 for today on the white spoon again. The white spoon's killing it. Love it, gotta love it. Chill. There we go. Small little male, most likely. Not gonna keep any fish today. Just out here, just trying to catch some. Oh my God. Jesus. Get out of here. Save yourself. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little scary out here, but I've only been out here for like a half hour. Oh, don't blow away, camera. Don't blow away. You're expensive. I've only been out here for like a half hour and I got like 3. It seems to be they're hitting really close to my boat and on like more of an ascension up from the lower part to the surface where I am. So I don't know if that means anything or if it's just a coincidence. All right, let's keep trying, and let's also keep trying not to tip over. Good fish? Oh yeah, got one. No, no. Do I got him? Do I still got him? No. No, I lost him. I lost him. Bummer, dude. You fish? Fish on. Coming right. There we go. Nice jump. Nice jump. Nice jump. Come on, fella. He looks like another small male. I'm catching nothing but males all day today, I swear. Has even one of them been a female, probably? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh, look at that. Threw the hook. All right, good. Thank you for throwing the hook. Goodbye, fella. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna have to call it because the winds are now 22 miles an hour according to my phone. And you know what? I'm not really willing to risk it. But I did get 4 fish today. I'm gonna come back out tomorrow. It's supposed to be beautiful all day tomorrow, so I got a lot better weather for tomorrow. So I'll see you in a few seconds. Oh, hit fish. No, I still got him. Oh, I got my lighter tackle, so this is a lot more fun. Woo! There's another small male. This one's on the gold spoon. I was using white for like 15 minutes and then nothing, and I'm pretty sure this is my first cast with the gold. And this little guy here decided he wanted to eat it. Chill, bruh. Ow. Chill. All right, another small little male. Glad to have you on the show, buddy. Thank you for participating. Bye-bye. Yeah, first cast with a gold spoon. Nice. Let's get it back out there just in case there's a school of them. I don't want to talk to the camera for too long and then they get out of the area. Oh, fish. Yes. Another one for the gold spoon. I thought I felt a bump right underneath me. Ooh, look at, oh no, through the hook. Oh, you son of a gun. Well, that's a bummer. Oh, wait a minute. Is that a free crankbait right there? That looks like a free crankbait. There we go. Not a bad looking little guy. Nice little green pattern on him. Cool. Mine now. Fish, yes. Finally, after all this time, I got another fish. Finally, and he's off. Well, I jinxed myself, I guess, by saying finally. White spoon this time. I'm doing really fast retrieve this time. Yes, another one, thank you. Sun is about to go down, so hopefully these fish come alive right now. Come on. In my net. Yes. There we go. You bit right after I lost that last one, so thank you for that. Made me feel a lot better after losing that last one. Chill, bruh. Chill, bruh. Chill, bruh. Bruh. There we go. Fish number 2 of today and 6 of the video. Nice, looks like a female. I don't see any you know what stuff, so it's gotta be a female. Say hello and then say hello bye-bye to the camera, right? Nice. Finally, that's 2 bites in a row. I'm kind of excited now. Maybe that means that they're turning on, so let's get this one out here. Or to get the lure back out there. Is that another one? That's another one, yes. Oh man, they might be turning up right now. They might be turning up right now. There we go. That one's good. That one's nice. A big belly on that one. White spoon's kicking ass now. There we go. Bye-bye, lady. Thank you for joining me. Oh, go. There you go. All right, what's really working right now is the white spoon and a very fast retrieve, maybe 3-4 seconds to drop, and then a decent retrieve speed right there. Like I keep saying, always try different things, try different speeds, try different depths. Just keep it rolling, keep trying something new. And there we go, that's another one. That's a 3rd fish in a row. Boom, look at that jump. Very nice. 3rd fish in a row. This is why I love shad season. It's always on. It's on. Fishing is on. There we go. 3rd one in a row. You know what? Not going to take a lot of time to look at them. Let's see if we can get another one. Cast. My reel sounds awful right now. 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, and let's crank it in. Oh well, so much for 4 fish in a row, but that's just me being greedy. Ooh, that was a hit. That was a hit. Ooh, fish, there we go. Came back for it. Came back for it. Ooh. These fish are just so aggressive. Oh, look at that jump. Look at that jump. They are just so aggressive. This is why we all love shad season. Ooh. In the net, there you go. In the net. Oh. I love it when they throw the hook for me so I don't have to get it out. Look at you. Nice hickory shad. Chill, chill, chill. Once again, you can tell by the jaw, the lower jaw. Chill, 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 chill. Don't cut me up. The lower jaw extends farther than the top jaw. And they are hickory shad, not skipjack. I know some of you confuse them for skipjack, but we don't actually have any skipjack in the James River. We have hickory shad. Wake up. Wake up. There you go. Yeah, so like I said, we don't actually have skipjack here. Skipjack, I believe, are to the Mississippi River water basin, whatever you call it. What we get running up from the ocean is hickory shad, American shad, a few other herrings and blue, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, a bunch of fish, but they're all from the Atlantic Ocean. I want to sit here and talk about it, but like I just want to get my lure back out there, see if I can catch a bunch more. We got a little bit of time left. Fish? Yes. Right there. Come on. I thought he threw himself off there for a second. And he did. He actually just did. That is a self-fulfilling prophecy right there. That's what we call that. Ooh, that was a hit. Oh, there we go. There we go. Wow. The dude jumped over my kayak. Get in the boat, get in the boat. Little small male. Little teeny one. Thank you for participating. You know, I've been out here all day. Got one fish in like the first 20 minutes, and I got like nothing for hours. And then all of a sudden the sun's going down, and here I am catching like 5 fish in a row, basically. Let's make it 6. Ooh, nailed it. Boom. In the net, in the net, in the net. Do, 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 do. In the net. Shad bite is on fire. Who doesn't love shad fishing? I love shad fishing. Yes, I do, I do, I do, I do. Ooh, let's catch another one. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's another one. Boom. Small little male. Here is yet another shad, small little male. And you know what? A nice one to end the night on, though. Thank you, buddy. Guys, there is nothing quite like shad fishing. It's my favorite time of the year, and you guys just saw why. They fight like heck. They come in swarms, and you can just catch them one after another. Maybe sometimes you have to be out here for a few hours first, but when they're on, and I think today proves it. I think throughout the weekend I got 10 total, and I think that's amazing. It's so good, feels so good. But I'm not gonna press my luck. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this kayak is on top of that car before it gets too dark and I can't see anything. There's gonna be a lot of shad content coming, guys, so if you like shad content, please like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next fishing adventure. Peace out.